Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you'll be thrilled about today's topic. We're diving into the latest innovations from Samsung, unveiled at the much-anticipated Samsung Unpacked 2025 event that took place on July 9th. So, get comfortable as we explore what's new in the world of smartphones and smartwatches. First up, let's talk about the stars of the show, the Samsung Fold 7 and the Samsung Flip 7. The Fold 7 is pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology with its sleek design and improved durability. It promises a seamless user experience with its larger, more vibrant display and enhanced multitasking capabilities. Meanwhile, the Flip 7 continues to redefine compact innovation, perfect for those who love a stylish yet powerful device. But that's not all. Samsung has also unveiled a new line of smartwatches that are set to revolutionize health tracking. The new health tracking watch comes with advanced sensors that monitor everything from heart rate to oxygen levels, ensuring you stay informed about your wellness. Plus, there's another watch designed for fashion-forward tech lovers, combining elegance with functionality. Now, I know you're eager to get your hands on these gadgets, but remember, the official release isn't until July 25, 2025. However, if you're looking to get a head start on accessorizing your new Samsung devices, head over to our online store Keytech. We offer a fantastic range of accessories to complement your upcoming Samsung products, and you can check them out right now at keytechproduct.com. With all these groundbreaking releases, Samsung is once again setting the standard for innovation. Whether it's the foldable phones or the cutting-edge smartwatches, there's something for everyone to get excited about. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming reviews and in-depth looks at these amazing devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.